Bow down, clear the throne. Air pressure rising, you've been warned. Walk in the room, silk and sheen, confident, sharp, posture mean. You can't compete, don't intervene. Long live the queef queen. Crown tilted, baseline loud, turning whispers into a crowd. Some call it chaos, I call it art. A little thunder from the heart. It's natural, accidental, elemental, presidential. No shame in the royal scene. I reign supreme. Queef queen, make it seismic, tiny tremor, still iconic. Laugh if you want, I'm still on beat. Even my silence got rhythm in it. Queef queen, don't be dramatic. It's aerodynamic magic. If the throne room makes a sound, that's just power shaking the ground. Etiquette books can't contain unpredictable royal reign. You clutch your pearls, I flip my hair. Confidence thick in the air. Tiny trumpet, royal decree, echoes through high society. Grace under pressure, never obscene. Still the undefeated queen. No apologies, no retreat. Even bloopers land on beat. Imperfections make it real. That's the deal. That's the deal. Yeah. Queef queen on the moment. Turn embarrassment to a component. Confidence loud, laughter clean. Rule the awkward in between. Queef queen, zero shame. Body's weird, that's the game. If the crown shifts, let it be. Royalty is authenticity. You call it awkward, I call it physics. You call it cringe, I call it mythic.